Well, for wireless webcam in OBS, we have to download an app. Let's go to the Play Store and search IP camera because that's need for our OBS Studio. Uh, that is it. Let's download it. I have already downloaded it. That's why I'm going to the application. There, go to the start server. Pressing the start server and the IP camera is on. Here is an IP number, that's HTTP. We have to type it in a browser. Let's go to the Google and type this IP number. Here the name browser, we have to press the name browser, then we have to press the full screen. Let's press the full screen. There we go. Now we have to copy the link for our OBS browser. Let's copy the link. Copy it. Now we have to go to the OBS. There we can connect it with our OBS from the Android camera. There is go. Let's go to the browser. Press OK. Now paste the link in OBS. Let's OK this and blah. Let's transform it bigger, and that's the webcam that you can connect with your OBS. Don't forget to subscribe.